Hello everyone, it's me Rack from Rack Plays, and today I'm doing a brand new video. Today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Super 7 Dune collectibles. All these, there's 5 in all, and all these are figures based off of the 1984 movie, not the miniseries or the new movie. These are adult collectibles, not toys, but I still thought I'd do them anyway since it's something Dune related. Even like I said before, if you want to collect all, there's 5 overall, which where the original toy line from 1984 had 6 figures, and also they do not have the same figure, all the same figures as the 1984 line had. For example, in this new Super 7 line, they don't have a Fade Rotha or a Beast Raban. But still, these probably could be cool to find if you can't find any of the 1984 toys, or if you think they're too expensive to buy. So I'm just going to be unboxing these 5 and tell you all what I think of them. So let's start off with the first one I'm going to be doing, which is the Paul Atreides figure. There's 2 Pauls in this line. There's a Paul Atreides and a Paul Muad'Dib, where he looks like how he looks like when he joins the Fremen. But I'll start off with his Atreides with his Atreides look. Alright, so I just want to say too is what I like about all these covers. I like the art. The Sand of the 2 Moons, like different color lighting with the blue eyes. It looks really cool. Now, of course, on the back it has the sandworm. So, box it off. I always find these boxes to be hard to open, though. Okay, so there we go. Alright, here he is. Alright, that looks pretty cool. He has some articulation in his arms and legs, and I want to check. Yep, his head too. He has a lot of good detail on him. This time his suit is black instead of green, like the original figure. He comes with, I think these were like 2 weapons. Comes with, what's going on here? They're taped down, but that's okay. Comes with his blaster. At least, yeah, this is his blaster. Let me get the next one off. There we go, and his dagger. I'm gonna try and put them both in. There we go. Okay, good. Both of them on pretty well. That looks pretty cool. This one, excuse me. I kind of just put on like through here. This I had to kind of squeeze in a little bit. Looks pretty cool though. I like him. Also, he also has good detail on the face too. I don't know if you can really see it because of the light, but still he does. Okay, next up, just go put the stuff down here. Next up, I'll do the Paul Muad'Dib figure. Okay. Here he is. Alright. Same as the last figure. I think he looks really cool. He has a lot of good detail to him. He looks like how he does from the movie. See a lot. You can see like that's where his dagger's supposed to be. Can't take it out, but it's nice detail. See, at least I think. Oh, yeah. At least I think that is. Yeah. Like last figure, he has good articulation. About the same articulation as last figure. I think all of them have that. Maybe have that. We'll see. But yeah, looks pretty cool. And also this time, He also, I think it's a little hard to tell, but this time he has blue eyes instead of his regular eyes. Or his eyes originally look. This time, however, he only comes with one thing, one accessory. This, I forgot the name of this, but I believe this is what he uses to ride the sandworm. Huh, went in pretty well. I don't know if it will fit into there. I'm not gonna try that. But yeah, cool figure. Came out accidentally. There we go. They might have loosened his arms a little bit. A little hard for him, I think, to hold it like this. Or I think maybe if you hold like that, it shouldn't slip out. Hopefully. The thing though is that you can't really like put his arm down with it. But still. Next up, I'll do the Sarkar Warrior, one of the bad guys. I always like their look in the 1984 movie. I always liked their kind of creepy-ish, like look. I always thought they looked cool. Okay, here he is. This figure comes with three accessories, but for now let's look at the figure. Alright, he looks a, well, this time he doesn't have any movements for the head, because it's like wearing a mask, but he still has movements in the arms and legs. You can't like really bend the elbows or the arms, bend the elbows and the knees, but you can move the arms up and down, which is pretty cool. Also, yeah, these figures also don't like have the same movements, or kind of kind of like the original figures do. Kind of have like these kind of fun movements you can do with them. Yeah. Oh yeah. Right. Yeah. But this one doesn't. Like, for example, in the original Sarkar Warrior, what he would do is he would flip his arm up like that. I'll go get it. Okay, here he is. This is him, and you can see on the back he has a bit of a lever. Yeah, you could. The original 1984 figure could do that. These can't. These are kind of just like meant for, I guess, like standing or so. But still, both do look pretty similar. Just a few differences, such as this one has a bit. Maybe it's because of how old it is, but the green in it's a little darker in this one. Also, this part right here, its mask is a little more uneven than this one. Other than that, still pretty cool. The figures it comes with here, or its accessories. It has 3. One. If I can get the tape off. There you go. Well, it's kind of like a dagger. Second one is a small, really little small gun here, I believe, so be careful of that. There is some good tape around it. There's a big enough piece of tape around it. There you go. Got a very small gun. Very small. And finally this. I don't quite remember what this was. I don't remember this from the movie. I guess this is another gun, I guess? I forgot what this was for. Kind of looks like a big pen, somewhat. Let's put some of this stuff on it. Let's have him hold some of this stuff. If I can. Oh, got the dagger in. There you go. Got the dagger in. I got the little laser gun or so in. All right. All right, it's pretty cool. Looks really dangerous. Let's take let's add this. Let's add this time. There we go. Oh, there we go. Now he looks awesome. The guns can be, or the lasers or guns can be put for both hands. Just so I do this one. Right. That's pretty cool. Okay, next up I'll do is Stilgar. Just like Paul Maudib, he comes with only the same accessory. Alright though, but just like him, he looks pretty cool. He has yeah. I think he has like pretty much the exact same body, but he also has a cool head too. It looks exactly how he does from the movie with the beard. Same thing as before. You see, as long as it's the same body, it should be able just to. Yep, there we go. Got kind of the same problems with it as the Paul Maudib. You can't really get it down, something like that. I was trying to do this. Oh, there we go. I got it. There we go. I got it. Yeah, it's best if he, I think, holds it kind of like this, sort of, or this part, because this part kind of makes it a little loose. But there we go. All right. All right, pretty cool. All right, and the last one is the Baron. Yeah. Baron Harkonnen. And unlike all the other figures, he does not come with anything. It's just him. Alright. I think he looks, it's pretty cool. I like the attention to detail they had for him. You even see someone on his face. Well, it's a little hard to, but someone on his face, you can see the little stuff he has on him from the movie. Just the same color as his skin. Just like all the other figures. Well, actually, the head can't move as much, I believe. The arms move pretty good. This arm moves a little more than this one. This one's a little harder to move. You can move the legs like this. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. All right. So overall, I think these figures are pretty cool. I like them each. I think they're all very well detailed. I think they look pretty much almost exactly like how the 1984 movie characters look, and also how the action figures look. And yeah, I recommend getting them if you're interested. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you all. Bye.